YouTube, what's good, man? You already know where you at. It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. And today we got a hot one, man. We got a hot one fresh off the truck. If you already know, man, if you already be on HatClub like I'll be on HatClub, they had a pre-order going for a special drop out of the HatClub NoHo store over on the East Coast, man. It's some drops that they usually, well, not usually, what they do out there as far as MLB hats and basically, you know, any baseball team hats. And they drop with the pink underbottom. Oh, pink underbottom. And it's here early because they were saying, man, we weren't going to get them till about sometime early April, mid-April. Oh, it's in. Stay tuned. We're about to get into it for sure. Like I said, man, pre-order release, pink bottom. I'm going to let y'all see what team I wind up picking. It's one because actually this style, I actually don't have in the collection, believe it or not. Like I said, I'm not usually a big buyer just because it's new when it dropped. I'm buying stuff. It's always a method to the madness. It's going to go, it kicks a certain type of way. It's going to hit with the whole fit and everything. And surprisingly, I've had one before, you know, when I was younger, not when I actually started getting serious about, you know, hat collecting, but I just didn't have one in this style. So what better one to actually get one in than something like this, especially like really not getting released on here. It's not on the sites. It was a straight up pre-sale and I definitely had to jump on it. Like I said, man, this is fresh off the truck. As you see, I'm opening it. Y'all gonna see it just when I see it. Of course, we've only got to see it online. And I guess people that live on the East Coast that already have them, you know what I'm saying? I'm showing them off on like IG and stuff like that. But outside of that, you know, they did the pre-release. Man, I hope everybody was able to grab one and hit me down below and let me know. Because this is something I had to have in the collection. You know what I mean? So hold on, let me find something to open this up with real quick. All right. Oh, what's going on there? Well, spot on the camera. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna get into that. Hold on just a minute. Didn't have a knife, had to use a plug there, man. Don't mind that. And with this, man, I don't even really want to touch it, man, because I know that underbottom is gonna be like super duper light, man. And it's like, you want to be careful. But yeah, here you go. You got your receipt in here, your HatClub receipt, and ooh. Yeah. There you go. I got your Chicago White Sox 2005 World Series, but that's not what we're here for. Oh, that's cold right there, man. I don't care what you say. Hey, it may be normal up here, but that underbill, I had to have that, man. And I'm a sucker for hats with patches on the side, man. I think that's a pretty dope 2005 World Series patch. That's why I picked it, because I think they had this style with the All-Star patch or the World Series patch. I went with the World Series patch because I like how the patch looked. Of course, your boy got that size 8, but we all know what we're here for. Look at that right there, man. That pink underbottom is the seller. That's what everybody want. That's what everybody looking for. And trust and believe, I already got an idea of a pair of kicks I'm finna wear with these, man. So I think that was pretty dope. My sticker already kind of peeling off there. I might honestly take the stickers off of this pink bottom because I don't want anything messing that up. So usually you know, I leave stickers on. I know that's a debate to the end of time, but I'm a big, you know, leave the sticker on guy. But I'm probably going to make an exception for this pink bottom because I don't want anything, especially with them half peeling off, to stain it up, like putting it back on and dirt and dust getting on it. So these probably will eventually wind up coming off, or not even eventually, they will come off. To be totally honest with you, but that one will never come off. But as you see, that pink bottom, man, definitely worth the buy. And then I had a little discount credit on it too, so that helped. You know what I'm saying? See the inside, nothing really going on. Your inside is pretty much going to be, you know, pretty much the same. They got the Cooperstown collection in there on that. That's pretty dope. Didn't know that's a Cooperstown collection. And then you got your MLB logo on the back, of course. You got your blacked out New Era on the side. But like I said, that's what everybody here for, man. Now, like I said, I know pretty much people will be like, hey, it's just a pink underbottom. But in my opinion, the God honest truth, it's just so much doper in hand. Like, I'm not, and then like, come on, classic logo. You really can't beat that. Classic White Sox logo, dope side patch, and this right here. Oh yeah, I got something coming for this, man. I got some nice little kicks that's gonna match up just right with this. Cause I mean, you gotta make it stand out. If you're gonna get something like this and you are gonna rock it, you definitely want it to stand out. So that's definitely what's gonna happen here, man. So, and like I said, you got the NFL Sugar Skull. Hopefully that'll release even earlier too, because I did cop one of those. And it's the NFL Sugar Skull. So if you know me, you follow my channel, you pretty much already know what team I got. That's no secret, you know what I mean? So, being that I don't really follow baseball and I don't really have teams, I mean, I'm pretty much going to go with the dopest logo. I mean, even with the NFL, I mean, I still buy other NFL team hats, but there's one that's going to come first no matter what, and especially with that one being a pre-order, so they probably aren't going to release regular in stores. You know who I had to go with. That's no surprise. Hit me down below if you already know what team I'm talking about, because everybody should know who I'm already messing with, man, when it comes to the NFL. I'll win, lose, or draw. You know what I'm saying? So, but that's the pickup, man. Want to get that out there for you guys. Like I said, I'm not going to hold it up or draw it out. But you got your Major League Baseball, pink bottom, HatClub NoHo release, man. They did the pre-order. Hopefully you got yours, man. And they actually extended these for like an extra 2 weeks. And, man, now that I'm looking at it, I wish I would have got 2, but it wasn't really a second team that caught my eye to get. It's just I didn't have an actual Chicago White Sox original. I got now. Remember, I got White Sox hats, but not in the dope White Sox logo form. You know what I'm saying? So, again, with that being said, man, hopefully everybody was able to cop theirs. If not, let me know down below if you was able to cop, which one did you grab. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, I'm happy. Pink bottom, Chicago White Sox. It's your boy. Stay tuned, man. We got a lot more coming. A lot more Sugar Skulls coming, especially the NFL release one. Trust me, I got stuff down this way that still need to get reviewed. So just hang in there with your boy, man. We're going to get them pumped out. Let me know what you think down below. Pink bottom. Let me know your opinion, man. I'm going to get up out of here. This your boy, man. I'm gone. I'm going to see y'all on the next one.